Generation Homes is so excited to introduce 4 greenbelt lots featuring daylight basement floor plans in Battleground's established Cedars Landing community. Nestled up to permanent green space, these meticulously designed homes will offer an unparalleled living experience that blends modern elegance with the tranquility of nature. Embrace the open living concept with flowing layouts that seamlessly connect the kitchen, dining area, and great room. Collaborate closely with Generation Homes Northwest interior designer to create and personalize your living space to capture your unique vision. Cedars Landing is located just minutes from downtown Battleground, which offers a delightful blend of shopping, dining, and numerous parks and green spaces, providing residents with ample opportunities to enjoy nature and outdoor activities. Contact us for more information on Cedars Landing to start the process of making your dream home a reality.